Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to do Toyota Rav4 2018. So we have this harness with us which is for the JBL amplifier. This is plug and play harness with the camera connection, steering wheel control connections, your radio, main adapters, Toyota, and in this way we can retain our JBL amplifier and we can also manage through our stereo. I'm going to install 9-inch stereo in this one, which is pretty much gain all the controls from the vehicle, that is like amplifier controls, AC control and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll show you how. Once it's done, I'll show you. It's just plug and play. This is our stereo adapter. We just need to plug it to the stereo. This is our camera, radio. This is going to the stereo and just the USB. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just you can buy this harness from Amazon, then you can install 9-inch stereo and that can gain all the controls from the vehicle. In that way you won't lose any controls that is on your stock stereo. Otherwise, if you install something like the Kenwood, JVC, Sony stereo, then you won't able to use the controls, and then you will lose all your vehicle settings that is connected to the stereo. Here we go guys, our stereo has been installed, as you can see. I can show you settings. So as you can see, we can see original car. So if you turn on the AC, it will show you AC controls. We go back. Here's your JBL amplifier. You can manage through here. That's your tire pressure. It's your oil, body information and stuff like that. It's your camera here. Got our radar here for our sensors and stuff. So everything is working good. Here's the controls for the steering wheel. Thanks for watching my video guys. If you like my channel, please share and subscribe, and do like the video if you find it informative.